and sing.
The care and feeding of baby birds. It's rather like trying to keep hope alive. It's foolish and pointless and rather stupid, considering everything I've done up to this point, but here I am, trying to care for baby birds. Oh, I promise I won't get all maudlin. Oh, I love that word, maudlin. I've had enough of maudlin. I'm going to be brave and heroic. After all, I have decided not to kill myself. I have babies to look after. At least, until they die. I am pinning my life on fragile hearts and transparent bodies. One has already died. It died last night. It was just a cold, little curled up thing, while the other two peeped for their food. It just died. I haven't been to a church service in what, years? Not even a Christmas service. Oh, I love those beautiful carols. I wonder if that's what the birds sing. Oh, beautiful carols. I mean, the birds like the warblers, the ones who sing, not the others who scream and scold, but the ones who sing. I wonder if they sing happy to be alive and hear carols, at least before the cat kills them. No cat today, no killing, just no claws, just happy thoughts. Happy thoughts. Be positive and brave and happy and have some happy thoughts and be positive and happy and have that happy cancer spirit. Oh wow, I'm just so angry. I'm so angry. Oh gosh, I'd never be a good mother or a wife for that matter. I've spent my life working stupid jobs in stupid schools, waiting for stupid mail that never arrives. I could never do this being in limbo all the time. It's cruel. And all my friends keep saying, believe in yourself, don't give up, hang in there. It's cruel because they have lives, they have jobs, they have families, they have money in the bank, they go on vacations, they have children, and I have nothing. I have nothing to show. I have no degrees, no college teaching position, no anything, nothing. I have nothing. I'd be homeless right now if my dad hadn't let me come home. But I'm trying to be positive, to make light of looking down the bottom of a barrel of pills. to be positive, even though there's the people, all those people, the people making fun of me and my dreams, making fun of me and calling me a failure and a worse. Just like yesterday, my own dad calling me a waste of skin, a waste of time, a waste of space, but like he said it under his breath, like he didn't want me to hear it, but I heard it. He wanted me to hear it. He needed me to hear it. Just a waste of space, a waste of time, just a waste. And he's a farmer, which makes it even worse, which makes me an even worse sin, because to him, everything's supposed to have a purpose and a function and a use, and I try and fight that belief that I'm supposed to be dull and sensible and ordinary and not care so much when baby birds fall out of their nests. Some people have expensive pearls